Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Sorry, I had to take 2 to 3 days off. It was because I had an online tournament of chess, so I had to prepare and couldn't focus on anything else. But now I'm back as the tournament ended yesterday. Also, let's first work with the star. So star, now we'll change the background to this color. It's pasted. Let's switch on the difference and let's just use body. So body, and I'll give it the color background. I'll make the circle with the body, so this, and now I'll take, we know the border radius will obviously be 50%, so 50%. Next we will give it, I think, a size. Let's first give it some margin. So margin will be okay. I can change that size with margin. That's new to me. So I mean 50. Yeah, 50 looks perfect. And maybe 120. Almost. What if I give another? Okay, so honestly I didn't knew this thing is something that happens. I just thought let's place it first and then give it the size instead of giving a random size. So now I will make this stem like thing using A. Also, while I was away, I watched some videos of CSSBattle and learned something. I will try it today. Let's use width. I'll use, I mean, it seems to be 20 and a height of 200 or maybe 300. Let's go. And I will use border radius of 20 pixel, and then I will use a background with the color, this one, it's pasted, right? And then I will use position fixed to make it appear, because obviously we can't make it proper until we can't see it. So margin 100. So this will be 50, 40, 45, 90, 80, 70, 60, 65. Yeah. Now the thing is, what I saw was that I can use A, B in this. So now I can use these square brackets B, and now it will inherit some of the properties from A. So if I give it a width, I'll give it a height of 40. Okay, and I'll use rotate of, I think, 45. Rotate 45 degrees. As you can see, there is some little bit of it visible. Maybe we have to do 60. Like whichever property will change there. Rest all will remain the same. I think it still needs to be a little bit big. Okay, let's try first. So I'll give it a margin of, like, the top one shouldn't be the same. 60 looks pretty perfect. Next one I'll give for now 60, then 70, 80, 90. So it will be something between 80 and 90, 85, 86, a little bit down, 61, 62 looks perfect. Now I can make another one which is A, B and C, and closing tag. Now C will, so I only need to do rotate minus 45 degree and change the margin value. The top value will be same, so 62 and maybe 10, 20. Ow, sorry for that. 30, 40, 50, 42, 3, 4. Yeah, let's submit it once and see what output we get. I think it should be 100%. Yeah, it is. So from now on, we may be using this method, which is new to me, but I'll still practice it and get better in it. Let's see what the final score is. 632. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.